Hello, here is a Ford S Max. I'm gonna show you how to replace the key battery, yeah, CR2032 battery. Okay, the battery is the part is inside here. Okay, so if you press both, you see the rubber end here. If you press it, the cover will pop out. Yeah, if you press it together like that, yeah, press it, you see, you can see it pop up. You just pull the cover away. Okay, pull it away. Now you see the emergency key. Okay, remove the emergency key. Okay, now if you turn it this way, you can see there's a hole there. Okay, basically we just use the flathead screwdriver, yeah, push it in there, yeah, push it all the way in there. Yeah, we want to push this we want to split them apart. Yeah, if split them apart, the battery is in there. Okay, insert like that. Yeah, okay, and then like a push up like that. Yeah, okay, you push it up and then you can see it open up. See open up. Okay, so just ply up, like gently ply up. Okay, now it's open. Once it's open, you see the battery. Okay, here's the battery. Yeah, CR2032. Okay, just slightly ply up the battery up like that. Yeah, okay, here's a CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace it, yeah, push it in like that. Yeah, the spring side go in first. Spring side go in first. Push it down. Okay, line these two together. Yeah, make sure the pin, yeah, the pin here, see the pin at the top, go into the hole first, you know, otherwise, right, it won't go in. You see the pin at the top. Yeah, remember. Yeah, okay, go in like that. Okay, line up like that. Yeah, and then you just press it down. Okay, press it all the way down. Okay, and then put the emergency key back on. Okay, go in like that, press it down, and then put the cover on. Yeah, the cover need to go on. This end need to go in first. Yeah, this end. Yeah, this end need to go in first. Okay, see here, go in like that. Okay, and then press it down. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.